Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone.
In this content, we want to show you how to make lemon pancake.
Check this out.
The ingredients for lemon pancake are baking powder, baking soda, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1.5 tablespoon of lemon zest, chocolate, and a slice of lemon.
Salt, sugar, 215 ml milk full cream, 135 gram of flour, 3 white egg, 1 egg yolk. First, take 1 egg yolk and add 250 ml of milk. Enter the flour little by little while stirring. And then add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir until well blended.
For the second dough, prepare 3 white eggs. Then add the lemon juice. Add a pinch of salt. Add a half teaspoon of baking powder. And add a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. And add 5 tablespoons of sugar. And then mix the sugar dissolve.
The first mixture with the second mixture. Add the grated lemon zest to taste. Stir until blended.
Enter the pancake batter as much as 1 ladle. Wait for the pancakes to nest. Then turn if brown, remove, and set aside.
If you have decorated the pancakes by melted chocolate to taste it. And the last pancake ready to serve. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.